Yeah, look at this. This thing is completely sunk. Let me see. I'm gonna try to walk through here. Hopefully I won't sink myself. Look at that. Hey guys, Rhino here. How you doing? So I got a call last night to come recover a side-by-side here in the wash. The spot where we're going to, I recovered another side-by-side previously to that, and I know how bad it is. Last time I had to tie myself to a tree and use a snatch block to be able to pull it out, because when I used a single line and I wasn't attached to a tree, the side-by-side was actually pulling me instead of me pulling the side-by-side out. So also there was some people in the wash last night, and they tried to help, but nobody was able to help them out. So he called me, he asked for me to wait until the morning. So he spent the night in the wash. He called me this morning again, and we're heading there right now. So of course, once I get there, I'll keep recording, and thank you guys for coming along. Okay, we're gonna make a left here into the parking lot, and there's a way to get into the wash. But last time I was here, I couldn't find an entrance per se. Like, I was able to get to the bike trail, but I wasn't able to climb down because there was a drop instead of a ramp. So we're gonna go check it out, see if we can find a way to get in here. This would be the closest way to get to him. There's another way on the other side, but the problem with that is that the gate is locked. So let's see what we can do here. Let me see if there's a drop here or not. Okay, it looks easy on the video, but here, in real life, it looks a little bit more steep. But we'll see. Let's try this way. All right, so even though it doesn't look like it, it's really steep. As you could hear, I hit the bottom of my truck. I thought I was recording on my way down, but apparently I wasn't. Sorry. When I was coming down, and even though I have 37s, and my truck is lifted, so I'm not sure exactly what hit. Maybe my frame, I don't know. It doesn't look like there's any damage to it. So we're gonna continue on going, and we're inside the wash. The guy should be, a couple of maybe 200, 300 feet that way, maybe a little bit more. But we're close by anyway. And that would be the 215 freeway, and I'm sorry, that's the 215 freeway, and this ramp is the ramp from the 10 to the 215. All right, let's go. All right, so somehow I have to go across the water, and again, it's not that the water is too deep, but the mud, the soil is tricky. It looks like it's nice and solid per se, but sometimes it'll just like take you in. You will just sink. So I need to go across the water, hopefully not get stuck, and we should be able to get them out fairly quickly. That's exactly what happened to him. He saw water, he decided to go through it, thinking that it would be fine, and he just sunk. So far we're good. We went across the water, and we are on dry land, so we should be able to find them anytime, any moment now. of rocks right here. Let's go. Let's take it slow. Oh, what was that? I saw some kind of animal running, but I'm not sure what it was. Alright, let's see. Let's keep going. Okay, I see that Tacoma. He brought his Tacoma to, you know, try to pull it out himself. And there it is. Let me go this way. Vámonos. ¿Cómo es que no? Es que no. Alright. Let me get in place. What I got behind me? Nothing. Okay, let's go. Just a bunch of rock. So he brought his Tacoma last night, trying to pull it out, but he wasn't able to. There's some homeless over there, I think. Oh wait, never mind, it's his friend. Sorry about that. Yeah, what's up, bro? Okay, so he's moving the Tacoma away. Look at that. Yeah, that mud right there is like, I don't know how to say it, but it sucks in the vehicle. So that's why they couldn't pull it out. Even though they try, you know, they snap a few straps trying to do it. Yeah, it's crazy, but we'll get it out. Yeah, look at this. This thing is completely sunk. Let me see. I'm gonna try to walk through here. Hopefully I won't sink myself. Look at that. See, they strap it here. You see the little strap? Nah. All right, let's go to the other side again. It looks like they had some strong straps over here too, but of course, again, you know, the sand really sucked it in right here. So let's get to work.
Well, we were lost, and we got kind of confident, and we thought it was just a little bit of water.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, it's like chest high.
So I did find a video, you know, people trying to help you. How many people tried to help you out?
Just one guy with Can-Am.
Okay, yeah. And that's why they couldn't. And what about your truck? You couldn't pull it out?
My strap ripped, so I was like, I don't want to, damage it. And I see my ball over there, it bent. So if you get closer, you kind of see it kind of bent. So I didn't want to keep.
Yeah, I see it.
More damage.
Yeah, I see it. All right, so let's get to it. Let's get you out, and let's go back home. All right. Okay, we're getting aligned to the side by side. All right, let's see. Okay, guys, so it's out, but the adventure is not over yet. We're still gotta go out Mount Vernon, or find an exit out of here. So who knows, what could happen from here to there. As you could see, it was pulling me. That's how very it was. It was pulling me.
You don't want everybody knowing I'm a tweaker.
All right, they're on the move. They're on the move. We're gonna follow them to the exit, and we'll see what happens.
What, this is the 10 freeway or what? Mount Vernon? Oh shit.
No, this is the 10 freeway.
Yeah, this is the 10.
Yeah,
No, me puedes dejar aquí ustedes.
Oh, damn. ¿Quieres que te deje aquí? Okay, dale.
Nah, man, you gotta.
Okay, let me go up.
You go sideways, man.
Yeah, let me go up first.
It's more sideways, así como no te voltea el camión.
No.
En otros lados, cuando te vas a.
Espérame.
Good at you. Así de ladito. Okay. You got a high truck too.
Sí. There it is.
Yeah, man, it's true.
All right. ¿Quién crees que me encontré? Al Canelo. ¿Cómo te fue en la última pelea, Canelo? ¿Cómo te fue en la última pelea?
No muy bien,
No quiere,
pero aquí estamos.
no quiere hablar.
Al millonazo, ¿verdad, Canelo?
No quiere hablar de Canelo. Okay, guys. So far, they're on the concrete. They should be good to go. And thank you guys for watching our videos. And of course, we'll see you next time.